Right. I just turned off the breaker right there on air conditioning. Turn it off, and then I open the back right here. Here the back there, the capacitor right there. And here this is really bad right here, guy. This is a bad one, very bad. It's balloon up right there. You see, it pop right there. That's real bad. So this one on Amazon about $15 to $20. I go to my local right here, maybe 30 bucks, okay. And then change it. That's all. Little bad right here. Look, it pop up right here. You see, flat like this or lower. When it pop like this, it's real bad. That's all. Just change it. That's all. Before you change, take a picture of the wiring so you remember. That's all. All right. This morning, I turned off the air conditioner center, and the capacitor here, balloon up right here. That's I need to change. This is a more than 30-year-old guy. Need to change it. So I have to go to. I open back here, right here, and take it out. The capacitor right there. All right. So let's go from here, from the back of the air conditioner. And this one, people say a balloon up right here. That's something wrong right here. Perfect change, right? So it's very hot today. So good time to change at the morning. Right now, only 7 o'clock morning. When this store open, I go and buy this one. That's it. All right. See you guys later. Thank you. All right. Right here. See, I put back right here. I just need to adjust this one right here, guys. Right here. See, that's all right now. Just put it on right now. That's it. See, I put back exactly where I take a picture right now. I put back right there exactly, and put the nail right there, and that's all done. You see what's going on. All right, guys. Today's Sunday. I have hard time to go and find this one. This one, you see a different right here. Look here. So when you buy the same one, you need right here 5 FU, and then 40 FU, 140 BAC. Okay, so you're matching. This one here 45 right here. That's it. This one. Today is Sunday. Very hard to find anybody close. I buy this from Amazon. It's about $16 shipping, about $26. And this one from Ake Warehouse. See, look, it's a little bigger, so I have to make a hole bigger to hold right here. And look here, you see how you guys see this right here? Look here, you see a different? It pop up right here, and this flat right here, guys. See that the different? This one then, so I have to matching right here. See, you have to matching, put all the wiring. I take a picture before I take it off. Right now I put back right now. All right, let's see what I'm doing. You see it work or not. See that? Look here, look at this one. We call the Muslim looking. Look at it, the turbo guy. So I buy another one from Amazon right now. About 15 bucks. Look right here. Almost done. I think that's it. And put the cover on. That's all. I think that's done. All right, see you guys later. Right now I turn it on. The air conditioning right there. Cover it up. Let's see it's run or not. Okay. Let's see, guys. Go inside and I turn it on and see what's going on. Working. Okay, guys.